are on the way to Georgetown, Colorado to go meet Supercar Ron. We're gonna go check out his F40 that is on studded tires, along with the entire Vossen crew that is out there. We've got Ron's entire crew out there, so huge shout out to Vossen because they made this possible. They, shot me a message and they were like, hey, come out, come shoot some video photos, come say hi. And so we are on the way, not quite yet to Georgetown, but we are on the way to go meet up with the legendary Bankrupt Media, aka Logan, and we are going to head up there together and we're gonna go shoot. We're gonna go shoot the F40 on the frozen lake and some other cool cars. So we're gonna go ahead and pick up the video when we head over to Logan's, when we get into the car and we start making our way to Georgetown. And then of course you guys are gonna see some crazy shit today, so stay tuned. There's Bankrupt Media, everybody. We made it out to Georgetown. There's the F40. Got a Storado going crazy out there.